How to buy Google Play gift cards online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. And without further ado, let's begin. First thing first, head over to any of your browser and then you need to simply type in how to buy Google Play gift cards online and tap on the first link. Then you will land on this page where you can easily scroll to the bottom of your screen where you will find different types of online and in-store business selling the gift cards. Simply click on any of them. For example, if you click on Amazon, it will take you to the Amazon's page where you can see different gift card or the codes and the cards that you can buy. So you can select any amount between $25 to $200. You can also provide the email of each recipient and your name. Additionally, you can give your message and then choose the quantity. Finally, you can click on the buy button, and after that you can easily buy Google gift cards online. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.